Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video, we are going to be doing some lip swatches. I'm super excited because I got a package from the brand Milan Rowe Cosmetics. So I went to their launch party about 2 months ago, I think it was. Around the end of January, I went to their launch party and it was so much fun. It technically isn't a brand new brand. They came out, I want to say a while back, but due to the owner's health issues or whatnot, they had to stop the company. So it's technically like a relaunch that they did in January, but I had never heard of this brand prior to that. So I did go to their launch party and it was so much fun and it was so nice, and I got to swatch lipsticks. They also came out with, I want to say, 2 eyeshadow palettes. It was either 1 or 2 eyeshadow palettes, I'm not entirely sure, but I swatched them and everything looked so bomb. So I was so excited when they reached out to me and they wanted to send me their liquid lipsticks. So I figured I would do a lip swatch video for you because they sent me their entire collection of liquid lipsticks. They did send this to me about 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I know I've been super MIA on YouTube. Like I've been uploading very sporadically, and I think I talked about it in my last video. I know I'm trying to do better in being way more consistent in uploading, but it's just hard now that I am back at work and I am working a little more often than usual, so that's what's throwing me off. But I need to get to it and film when I can, because yeah, this is what I love to do. So yeah, I have to be better for you guys, for those of you that are subscribed and that watch my videos. So I'm back with a lip swatch video. So Milan Rowe came out with 12 shades in their Cashmere liquid lipstick. So I'm going to swatch all 12 of them on my lips for you guys. The one that I'm wearing right now, I want to say, is my favorite out of the entire collection, and it's in the shade Bombshell. So it is kind of like the second nude shade in the collection. This collection has a lot of dark vampy lips, especially for me and my skin tone. I'm more of the like light, I could be a little light medium in the summertime somewhat, but mostly fair light in that category. So a lot of these liquid lipsticks look vampy on me. Even this one, this is the second nudist shade in their range, and it is it definitely shows up as a darker nude on my skin tone, but I love it. This like warm light brown shade is one of my favorite shades to wear. As far as the formula goes, it is matte, but it's pretty comfortable to wear. It glides on beautifully. It's kind of like in between a moussey and a liquidy texture, because it's not too moussey, but it's not too liquidy. It glides on very nice. The applicator is really good. I definitely like the shape of the applicator. As you can see, it is pointy. It's like one of those like pointy doe foot applicators. It's very easy to get precise around your lips. So I definitely like the applicator, and the formula is really nice. I usually don't go for very matte liquid lipsticks because they're very uncomfortable for me to wear on my lips, but this one is super nice and very comfortable. Like, I'm not annoyed at how dry it feels. It's definitely very comfortable. Like, it does not feel drying on the lips. They're pretty moisturizing. They're transfer proof. So yeah, this is actually a really good formula. I'm very surprised. This brand itself, I just fell in love with their message and with the owner. I got to meet her at the party. She was so sweet. She, you know, said her story at the party, and I just fell in love with the message of the brand. And I really hope everything goes good for this brand, because they are a good brand. Like, I love their liquid lipsticks, and their eyeshadows I have not tried on my eyes per se, but I did get to swatch them and they felt very nice. So I really have high hopes for this brand, and I hope they come out with way more products. But let's get into the swatches. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of the swatches. As you can see, there are a lot of vampy colors. The red in this collection is one of my favorites just because this is, I feel like it's like the perfect Hollywood red. I have been searching for a red this color, like that doesn't have too much orange or doesn't have too blue, or like just the perfect red, and I feel like this one really is the perfect red, and I am super excited to wear this red more often. But yeah, it's filled with a lot of fall colors. I feel like I would have definitely enjoyed this in the fall and winter time because of all the vampy colors it has, but I feel like there are so many colors that so many different skin tones can wear, and they'll look good on so many different skin tones. So I think that's super awesome. I'm definitely looking forward for this brand to expand more shades, maybe more nude shades and more reds. I know that there's really only 2 reds in this collection. There is the like Hollywood red and this like burnt burgundy red. I'm really excited to see if the brand will expand and add more shades to their liquid lipstick collection because I really like the formula and they're very comfortable to wear. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!